Daily progress report, a very boring task for engineers. Either you are working on a site engineer, you are a planning engineer, project manager, construction manager. You just feel like this. Oh my God, I have to make a next DPR report for my team. But if I tell you very simple step with the help of AI, just in 5 minutes, you can create not boring but very attractive, dynamic, supportive, and attractive DPR, daily progress report. So stay there till the end of today's video because I'm going to teach you the complete phenomena process, how to develop that prompt and how to use in Claude AI and get attractive and visualized daily progress report which are going to talk with client by itself. So before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that any video in future I'm gonna upload on my channel, you get that link on time. Well, my name is Engineer Waqas Ahmed and I'm the trainer for project planning, control, Primera P6, shutdown industry, for EPC industry, for delay analysis and claims management with Primera P6. And I feel this is my responsibility to update you people with anything which is new in the market. Like right now, AI is transforming entire construction industry. So I upload these videos to aware you people. So let's talk about daily progress report and why it matters a lot. Either you're a civil engineer, electrical, mechanical, you are working on any project, you must be dealing with daily progress report. Either you are working in site capacity, planning capacity, or managerial capacity, right? So daily progress report is something very important and very basic template from where you are going to start your project tracking. But since I told you this daily progress report templates are very kind of boring, every time you are following very pathetic typical dashboard or something like very static kind of template. So in this video we are going to talk about very dynamic visualized template with the help of Claude AI. Now Claude AI has entirely changed many things. If you want to learn about Claude AI, above there is a link. From there you can start learning about Claude AI usage with its basic features, how to develop them. So here I'm going to share with you people the screen. On the screen you can see over here. So now this is our dashboard interface for Claude AI. If you talk about Claude AI, there are many amazing features. You are going to learn about these features by clicking the link above there which I mentioned earlier. So this is prompt section. If you are going to click here on new chat, you can just interact with the Claude AI with the help of your requirements, input, instructions, and get that result. Then there is project portion which is going to deal with RAG, like you are going to upload your certain documents and train your Claude AI with the help of those documents which you are going to specify or upload there. Artifact is another feature, very extraordinary feature. Then customize, within customize you can make a different kind of skill.md file and train them on the basis of your instructions, right? So these are the common things. Now I'm going to start from here. Over here you have to write this prompt, right? This is I want to create something like dynamic dashboard. Now, before giving any instruction to Claude AI, I always recommend you people to train yourself in your domain. If you are not good site engineer, good planning engineer, how can you identify that what kind of data I need to have on that daily progress report? What kind of templates, what kind of color scheme, what kind of columns, their headings, right? Then second portion, first I need quantities, then I need man hours, then I need this thing, right? So first you need to train yourself in your domain. Otherwise AI is not going to help you anymore. That is the first thing. If you want to learn project planning control, write in the comment section area. My upcoming live free masterclass is going to help you a lot. And I repeat again, if you are going to write in the comment section area, you will get free ticket to my upcoming masterclass, right? So here, after solving this agenda, like AI is going to help you once you are skilled in your domain. So I'm just writing here, I want to create dynamic dashboard. This is my instruction based prompt of daily progress report where I add data of those activities. You can assume road construction. Right now I'm giving you an example of road construction project. You can write here building construction project, tank construction, fabrication, any project you are working right now. And if you are going to write in the comment section area about your project on which you are working right now, I can tag you some relevant DPR oriented prompt. Okay, so don't forget to write in the comment section area. So as soon as those activities are done, that area will be shaded with blue color. So first you have to take all layout of project in gray layout. Like I want this Claude AI to just paint one drawing or one visualized diagram in gray color. As soon as I update, like this foundation is done, that foundation area must be colored as a blue, which is going to show me this is done. Rest all gray color oriented things are undone. They are not yet started, right? So that is what I have given the instruction. Moreover, you must create activities or deliverables like earthwork with respect to chainage, because since I'm talking about road construction project, and you know road construction projects are linear projects, and they will always be tracked down on the basis of their chainage. So that is why I have given this information. Subgrade work, these are the deliverables which are required to complete to get that work done. Sub base layers, aggregate, AWC. So everything with respect to road construction project has been. Now right after this prompt, now the same thing you have to follow. This is not a difficult thing. You have to just gather your data. And one more important thing which I want to convey you people, whenever you want to expert yourself while developing prompt technique, don't write on here in the chat box area over here in Claude. Just take a pen, paper, write in manual way. Repeat it maybe 10 times is going to help you a lot to gather your data. Scientifically, it is approved. When you are going to write something by your hand, it is going to spark your neurons in your mind, and it is going to give you many more amazing things, and it can unleash many hidden things from your brain. Even you are working there, a site engineer, planning engineer, and it is going to refine your prompt structuring more better way, and in way better way, like you are just thinking and typing over here. Just practice it one time, right? By pen and paper, you are going to just write your prompt maybe in 10 lines, 20 lines. This is a technique which is going to help you to communicate with AI models. If future belongs to only this thing, they don't need coders, they don't need programmers, they don't need any person. They need only those persons who are going to communicate with AI models in a better way. So I want you people to apply this technique, right? So once you are going to give your best requirement based prompt over there, and it is going to process itself, you can see, because it is requiring some 5 minutes, 10 minutes, layers and all that. The right side has the engineering views, and it is actually giving you, updating you each and everything. And then it is going to stop somewhere. It is going to feel, oh, I need to ask something more because I'm not clear. Model is thinking in that way. It has asked me one question: what is the real chainage, road construction project length? I have given, okay, 15 kilometer. The second question, what you want the interval breakdown? I told 25-meter chainage. Anything to add, okay, 5 layers, okay. So it has transformed to all of that one, and down it has given me such kind of thing. See, so it has given me such kind of thing. Okay, now here you can see this is road construction project, right? And it is going to give me this, okay, because I have already updated over here. See, if I'm going to update here, this chainage has been updated up to 500 chainage, and I will also be guiding you about other projects as well, right? So it will be over here updating the coloring and all that. And apart from that one, if I will be just clicking over here, somewhere here, I just need to make sub base layering for maybe 200, okay, and apply to see sub base is also upgraded. See, the color is there now. So that is how it is going to give you dynamic DPR, daily progress report, right? So if I share with you over here, this is my tank fabrication project, and the same prompt, only I just changed that project name. Now this time I use that prompt and I just use the name of tank fabrication, and you can see the amazing thing here. So here on the top of that one, and one more important thing, as soon as you are going to use prompt, if it is not giving you the complete compliance, so you can just ask this Claude AI, refine it, giving different kind of improvisation versions. So then it is going to give you a better version. So you can see from road construction project to this mechanical fabrication project, DPR is much better. So I just got it, and you can see on the top of the line, all the things like schedule index, earned value management based things are there. My complete tank is there. So all the deliverables are giving on this side, design engineering. If design engineering is done, I'm going to click here the completed, and you will see this design file has been colored as a blue. It is completed. So the other thing, these are the showing material availability. It is done there. So material inspection, if it is completed, QAQC is done there. And if plate cutting, edge preparation is done, completed, shell plating is completed, in progress. So I will just show like this one, and you can see over here. Okay, bottom annular plate, I can complete this one and I can just make it completed. And you can see on the back side of that tank is just colored in blue color. Okay, because this is going to show blue color, bottom plates and shell plates. If it is in progress, all these plates which are going to connect bottom plate with the top plate, all these are called as shell plates. Got my point? So this is called as shell plate. Okay, but this is in progress, that is why it is being shown in yellow color. But if it is going to be completed, all is colored as a blue. And likewise, you can see there is a progress, stats, schedule, index, every single thing is there. So that is how you are going to have your S curves and all that. Apart from that one, you can see this is solar plant. And this is also going to enhance your understanding as a planning engineer. Their deliverables are stated in a sequential way, because AI is going to help and support site engineer, construction managers, and project manager in this innovative way. You can create your daily progress report, your progress dashboards in very amazing way, right? Apart from that one, you can refine your data from BOQ data into very dynamic and systematically organized planning data as well. For that, I have placed many links in this video detail. You can go there. You can not only learn AI application, but also Primavera P6 application. There are many links I'm going to attach in my video description, right? And apart from that one, if you are going to write in the comment section area, my upcoming live free masterclass is going to give you a lot of awareness about AI, about project planning, scheduling, and job placement techniques as well. And in that live free masterclass, you are going to get many opportunities to talk to me directly to discuss about your career stuck point or any problem you are facing right now in your career, right? So this is my solar plant and engineering, procurement, construction. So everything is completed. If I'm gonna make not started, see, not started, and that is actually, I'm going to undo all of these things. Okay, so you can see now everything is undone there. See, not yet started, not started, and like this one. Let's talk about this is my S curve. On top of that one, I will be having all that. So if I have site preparation, the first thing is feasibility. So feasibility is in progress. It is around 60%, 65% completed. As soon as I'm going to start this one, so engineering has already been started, updated like this way. Now it's all about EPC projects. So if I just talk about not completed, so engineering is done. And because this is documentation work, so this is only the solar plant construction work. So if I'm gonna basic design completed, you can see engineering has been proceeded. Okay, so detail engineering design completed, it has been like 75% completed. Okay, and if I'm gonna say grid connection studies completed, okay, 100% completed. Now PV modules procurement completed. So procurement is all about this one. Inverters procurement completed. Then mounting, all these transformer procurement is completed. Cable procurement is completed. This one is also belongs to, and you can see what is happening. Their procurement is 100% completed. Now let's talk about the construction. So when we talk about construction, site preparation is completed. See, construction has been shaded over here and site has been prepared. You can see. Now the color is blue color. All above ground level area is prepared now. And now you can get into driving foundations completed. And you can see out there all, see over here, all these one are blue color. And if you make them in progress, they will be giving you another different color. So if I make here mounting structure, so it is again completed, and you can see. So such kind of visualized diagram is going to help you a lot to understand the things. Apart from that one, you can see and enjoy this bridge construction. deliverables are there, and even I recommend all the freshers who are not familiar what kind of steps they are going to follow while doing their work on the site area. See, this is very easy to understand project planning and scheduling because your deliverables are all there. Okay, site establishment, broadcast, pile caps. So all these things are completed so that they are going to show here, the blue color, right? So the same prompt but projects are different kind of visualized diagrams. So here you can understand easily. If I can start from here, not started, and I'm just going to make it like this way. Okay, see, all the project is something like that. Site establishment is completed. Now you can see site is prepared. Now board cast into piles completed. Now these all piles are converted into blue color. Now pile caps completed. Okay, so these are the pile caps. Now as a understanding from the perspective of understanding point of view, now the deliverable you are going to click, it is going to be shaded, and you understand, okay, if you have no idea about site work execution, right? And then columns completed. So these are the columns. Then you can talk about abutments completed. All the external columns are abutments. And then you can see pier caps completed, and you can see over here all these pier caps. And then likewise, you will be having all that progress, your schedule performance index, each and everything will be updated in this DPR with the quantities, with their progress, and with many amazing things, right? So apart from that one, I will be sharing one more important thing, which is going to belong to pipeline construction project over here. So let me share with you people over here. This is our pipeline construction project. Okay. So this is something the same. Now you need to understand this is the visualized diagram of pipeline construction project where there are multiple deliverables are involved like ROW, trenching, stringing, welding, coating, lowering. Okay. So likewise, you are going to click if something is in progress. So it is going to just complete it. So this is done. This is ROW. Okay. Right of way marking. Trenching, if it is in progress, you can see this is the trenching is going on. If it is like just 10% is done, you can make it like something. Okay. So this is going on, but 10% is depicted over here. Likewise. So these are important things you need to understand with the help of Claude AI. Simple prompt is going to help you from this state to this state, and this is the demand for future. If you're a civil engineer, electrical engineer, or mechanical engineer, you must write in the comment section area and try to attend my upcoming live free masterclass in which I'm going to give you the complete understanding of AI application in your engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering with Primera P6, scheduling, and many more amazing things apart from these things like job placement techniques. So make yourself ready for high paying job salary oriented positions. And that is not possible without learning any skill. And if I talk about skill, planning engineer skill belongs to future, because if you are working on a building project, road project, or any project, they need planning engineers. And planning engineers need to understand application of Claude AI. That is what I'm going to deliver you in my upcoming live free masterclass. That was all about DPR development, but DPR is something like this in our construction industry. Is a very tiny thing. There are many amazing things to refine data from BOQ into planning data, to deal with your project WBS, to deal with your project WBS network diagram, critical path method, earned value management analysis, and many more amazing dashboards. So don't let it go. Write in the comment section area and get amazing chance to attend my upcoming live free masterclass in which I'm going to clarify your mindset and give you a proper roadmap for next 6 months so that you become a part of multinational company in construction industry or in oil and gas industry. Stay tuned with me.